How to log out of your Prime Video account on your mobile device. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log out of your Prime Video account on your mobile device. So, first of all, let us open our Prime Video app. And now, as you can see, I'm currently logged into my Prime Video account. So, in order to log out or sign out, it's really quick and easy. All you have to do is tap on My Stuff on the bottom right corner of the screen right over here. Now it will take you to this page where you'll have to tap on the little gear icon on the top right corner of the screen. After that, it will take you to this page so you can see all of these different options. Now you'll have to tap on the option My Account, and then it will basically provide you three options: Manage Account, Delete Account, and Sign Out. So since we are logging out of our Amazon Prime account, what we have to do is tap on the third option, Sign Out. And there you have it. You have successfully logged out or signed out of your Amazon Prime Video account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.